We do apologize for those technical issues. We begin now with the ongoing recovery from devastating floods south of Rochester. Canisteo residents speaking with 13 WHAM's Carly Miner for the first time since Governor Kathy Hochul announced emergency funding for families Sunday. Carly.
Karen, residents I spoke with today, they were promised emergency cash funding, but now they are discovering they do not qualify.
Good afternoon.
Everyone that was there was extremely sympathetic, and their promises felt sincere.
William Weakland and his neighbor Kate Bowie are both staying with relatives after flooding took their homes.
We got out the front door, got in the truck, and drove through the yard.
Weakland watched his home be swept away.
I just remember Aaron grabbed the baby, I grabbed the two olders, and we just ran to the truck, and she was screaming that it was too late. But we got out. I don't know how, but we got out, barely, so.
The neighbors say Governor Kathy Hochul and members of her Homeland Security team visited Canisteo on Sunday and promised up to $50,000 in emergency cash funding for affected families with no flood insurance. Now, they say they do not qualify due to stipulations they say they weren't made aware of.
When we found out that we weren't going to qualify, I just was devastated, and I just felt used. And so it was just heartbreaking to hear that we were getting nothing, especially since we likely won't get anything from insurance.
In response to their concerns, Governor Kathy Hochul's office issued a written statement which says, in part, in addition to up to $50,000 in grants for eligible homeowners, emergency resources including generators, pumps, debris removal equipment, and bottled water has also been distributed throughout the region.
We need help. I mean, we'll survive. We'll make it. We won't starve to death, but we have nothing.
The state has not indicated when it will begin reviewing applications for grants for those families who qualify. Steuben County will be hosting 2 more flood relief resource events Thursday and Friday from 1 to 7 p.m. in Canisteo and several other locations. You can find more details on our website, 13wham.com.